Hi guys, so you join us at a momentous occasion. We have upgraded to a Yamaha mixer board. If you're following my audio setting up journey, you will know I've had two behringers. I've had the first one, which is the 2XLR. I've had the second one, which is a 4XLR, which I'm using at the moment. There's a few problems with it. Every time you move the power cable, it turns on, turns off. Can't be doing with that. Also, the preamps are not excellent. When you get into podcasting, your audio setup needs to be crisp. It needs to be audio quality, like radio quality. And we weren't really getting that from the Behringer. So the preamps apparently on the Yamaha are a lot better. So that's why we're moving on to a different mixer board. And I'll take you to a top-down shot. Now, this is the Yamaha mixer board, which is heavier. The preamps are supposed to be better quality, and we're kind of future-proofing ourselves because we've got two XLR outs, we've got 4 ins, sound effects built in, which we may not use, but for the photography podcast that we're doing, we want to make sure the audio is excellent. The mics are slowly getting there. The arms we've got set up, so all that's coming. But the Behringer we've got, if I show you quickly, that is a Behringer setup right now. So you'll notice we have 4 XLR mics plugged in. I have an extra in there, which is basically audio effects. We use a tablet with a mixing app that lets us put effects in. Everything is set up, but watch what happens when the power cable moves slightly. See that? So that's ridiculous. We can't be having that. So Behringer, you need to sort that shizzle out, mate. So that's why we've moved to a Yamaha, because obviously Yamaha is a better quality. If I can put this back up. And what I'll do is I'll set this up and show you how it performs. The main difference here, the power cable has a locking system, so you can actually screw it on, and it has an on and off switch, which the Behringer does not. Yamaha is a better brand. It should be better preamps. Obviously, you're paying more money, but there's a bit of dealing going on, so we're not paying the full price, and we're checking this out and seeing how it does. Behringer, unfortunately, is something you can look at, but I would suggest if you're starting live streaming, it'll be fine. If you're getting into serious podcasting and you've got different mics going in there, your audio quality is not going to be up there. So there is room for improvement, and it's more of a starter board. The Yamaha MG10XG is also a starter entry level one, but the preamps are a lot better. So we'll do you a few tests of the audio from either ones, and we'll see how it goes. So that's just a journey update on the podcasting and how this is coming along. Okay, now I've switched over to the Yamaha mixer, and this audio you're listening to is directly from the Yamaha mixing board directly into the software. And this will give you a comparison of the audio. I'm doing a voiceover of this clip where I'm putting the two of the mixing boards side to side, and the Yamaha, you can see, has a rear USB power and the actual switch, which comes in very useful because you can switch it off at the desk. The Behringer does not have a switch. The Yamaha is a bit thicker, as in how high it sits off the table, but it's got a slight nice slope to it, so it's a bit more comfortable to use. A lot more features. Obviously, it's a better brand. The Behringer side by side, you can see the slight difference in its size there, and the Yamaha is a bit taller, just slightly there, about an inch or so. So now I'm giving you a comparison of the audio, and if you go back to the start of the video, that was the Behringer audio, and this audio is the Yamaha mixing board.